guys, welcome to Pinoy Salad. I'm here now in Marjan Island Resort and Spa in Alquain. So we're doing mission here. So here's our buffet dinner. So here's our food. So we have plain rice, tapsa rice. It's like what is vegetable kapsa. And chop suey. We have also potato hara or baked potato. And we have braised beef brisket. And we have fish scabeche. And roasted chicken. And our chicken soup. Here's our chef. And we have our dip. Vegetable salads. And what's this? Vegetables and fruits. And this is our sweets. And we have some bread also. So this is kubus. It's an Arabic bread. Then what's this? Ali. It's like kubus with milk. So it's sweet. And here's my colleague Julie.
Hello.
She's taking
Jenna.
fruits. Okay. Here, another sweets. I don't know what is this. It's strawberry
Strawberry mousse cake.
mousse
they call
cake.
it.
And we have
Chocolate brownies.
chocolate brownies.
And you should have
What?
tasted the baklava and
What is baklava?
it's a dessert. It's an
Ah,
Arabic
okay.
dessert. And I
The-
don't want to pronounce the name because
Okay.
it's
Yes. Yeah, I know. I just take video. Okay, thank you guys for watching. So this is all our dinner. I hope you enjoy my video. Please don't forget to watch my other videos and subscribe my YouTube channel, Pinoy Salad Vlog, Tadz Recipe. Goodbye!